Omar loved pictures. He was going to be an artist. People would come from all over to have him paint their portraits. Maybe they would pay him with candy. Omar liked red jujubes the best. Omar could not wait for school tomorrow. Maybe Miss Fudge would hold up his picture in front of the class. When Miss Fudge passed out the paper and pencils, Omar felt the paper's smooth surface. He loved the bright yellow of the pencil. "I'm going to draw my rock collection," said Thomas. "I'm making a rocket," said Bart. "I will make a daisy," said Elsie. Elsie drew every kind of flower. She made it look so easy. Soon, the whole class was quietly working away. Only Omar sat, staring at his paper. "What's wrong, Omar?" asked Miss Fudge. "I can't think of anything to draw," he said. "Why don't you try drawing something you love?" asked Miss Fudge. This gave Omar an idea. He picked up his pencil and started to draw. "Miss Fudge is going to love this," he thought. "What lovely rocks, Thomas," said Miss Fudge. "Thank you," said Thomas. When Miss Fudge saw Omar's drawing, she was delighted. "Why, Omar, this picture is wonderful." Omar beamed. "Look, class," said Miss Fudge. "Hasn't Omar drawn a beautiful rock?" "That's not a rock," said Omar. "That's my mother." Miss Fudge looked again. She turned the drawing this way and that. "Yes, I see her now. Lovely." But Omar was not happy. Miss Fudge moved down the row and held up everyone's picture, one by one. "I'm a bad artist," growled Omar. "Maybe it's your paper," said Elsie. "Maybe you need another kind of pencil," said Thomas. "It's not my pencil, it's me," said Omar. Omar threw his drawing away. "I'm just a bad artist," he said. The bell rang for recess. The whole class hurried outside. Everyone laced up their skates and got on the ice. Even Miss Fudge. Everyone, except Omar. "Why aren't you skating, Omar?" asked Thomas. "You're the best skater in the whole class." "I don't care if I'm the best skater. I want to be the best artist," said Omar. Elsie skated by. She did not skate as well as she drew flowers. She fell down hard on the ice. Omar went to help her up. "Rats," she said. "I can't skate." "Maybe your skates are too big," said Omar. "It's not my skates, it's me. I'm just a bad skater." "You're trying too hard," said Omar. "The thing about skating is to have fun. It's easy when you don't have to worry. Watch." Omar took off slowly, gliding like a bird in the sky. Then he skated backwards like a sailboat against the wind. When he picked up speed, he zoomed like a fast car. Omar skated this way and that. He whirled and swirled from one end of the pond to the other. Soon, Omar forgot all about being a bad artist. He was having too much fun. When he jumped high in the air, the whole class cheered. "Look at Omar," said Thomas. "Look at the ice," said Elsie. On the ice were beautiful lines. Wherever Omar had skated, Elsie saw a turtle. Thomas saw a bird. Miss Fudge was sure she saw Omar's mother, smiling. It was true. Omar had drawn many beautiful ice pictures. Even he could see how good they were. I was right, said Thomas, as they made their way home. You just needed a different kind of pencil. Omar on Ice by Maryann Kovalski. Read with the voice of Eliot Rite. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. It really means a lot. Thanks. This has been Eliot Rite writing. Goodbye. Till next time.